Hey there, welcome back to RackNerd TV. It's Christian here, and today I'll show you step by step how to create an A record in your cPanel hosting account. Before we get into it, let's understand what an A record is. An A record is a type of DNS record that is used to map a domain name to an IP address. For instance, when someone types in your domain name in their browser, the A record helps the browser to locate the IP address of your website so that it can connect to your server. It is also commonly used for subdomains. For example, if you wanted to create a subdomain for your website, such as blog.yourwebsite.com, and wanted to point to a specific IP, you could create an A record. Now let's dive into the steps to add an A record into your cPanel hosting account. Alright, the first step is to log into the cPanel control panel. To do this, open your browser and navigate to your RackNerd account dashboard and log in with your credential. Then click Log in to cPanel. Once you've logged into cPanel, scroll down to the Domain section and click on the Zone Editor icon, or simply use the search bar if you want to. It's time to choose the domain name you want to create an A record for. In this case, it's my example domain, RackNerdTV.com. Under the Action column, we can create or add an A record by clicking the +A record button. Enter the following details in the form. Add an A record for domain.com. In the name field, enter the name of the host or subdomain that you wish to add to the A record. In my case, blog.racknerdtv.com. And in the address field, enter the IP address of the host with which you got the information. In my case, this IP I am using is just an example. Click the Add A Record button to save the information or add the A record. And that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created or added an A record via your cPanel hosting account with us here at RackNerd. Please keep in mind that it may take a while for the changes to propagate across the internet, but once it does, your domain name will be mapped to the IP address that you specified in the A record. Oh, and by the way, if you're using an external DNS provider such as Cloudflare, you will want to make sure that these DNS changes on their portal instead. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. Once again, this is Christian from RackNerd.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.